In this video, you will learn how to install PyAutoGUI library in a Python project in Pycharm IDE. So first of all, we will open that Python project in Pycharm for which we want to install PyAutoGUI library. For me, I want to install PyAutoGUI in this Hello World project. So I have opened this in the Pycharm. And do hit the like button if you find this video useful. Now to install PyAutoGUI, we will click on this file here. Then go to this new project setup, and here we will click on this settings for new projects. Here we will click on this Python interpreter, and now you would see this drop down where all the interpreters are listed which are available in our system. So from this drop down we will select the correct Python interpreter for which we want to install PyAutoGUI. For me, the correct Python interpreter is this one, which is present inside this Hello World project. So I will select this particular interpreter here. And the selection of interpreter is very important, because if you select the incorrect interpreter, then you won't be able to use PyAutoGUI properly in your Python projects, and it will give you errors when you will try to import this PyAutoGUI library. And as soon as we select the interpreter from the drop down, it will list down all the packages here that are already installed for this selected Python interpreter. So for me, currently it is showing only pip and setup tools, these two libraries, because I have only these two libraries installed in the selected interpreter. Now we will click on this plus icon here, which will open up this new window of available packages. Now to install PyAutoGUI, we will search for PyAutoGUI in this search box. So this is the one. So we will select this and click on this install package here, which will install this particular version of PyAutoGUI, which is this 0.9.54. And once this is installed, we will see this type of message here, which is package PyAutoGUI installed successfully. Now we can close this window from here, and here we will see this PyAutoGUI and couple of more packages which were not present earlier. These other libraries got installed automatically because these are the required ones for the proper functioning of PyAutoGUI. Now we will click on this OK, which will close this window as well. Now it's time to verify the installation, whether the PyAutoGUI library is installed properly or not. And for that we will write couple of lines of Python code here. So first we will create an empty Python file, and for that we will click on this file, then new, then click on this Python file, and here we will give the name of the file. So let's write hello, and double click on this Python file. So this will create this hello.py file for us. And now in this file, first we will import the PyAutoGUI module. So we will write import, then PyAutoGUI, and let's now also print the information of PyAutoGUI. So I will write print, then PyAutoGUI dot get info. So I will call this particular function here. Now to run this program, we will right click and say run hello. So here in the output we did not get any error. Let me know in comments if this video was useful to you. So we did not get any error here, so it means the import was successful. Also in the output we have got the information about the PyAutoGUI module. Now the PyAutoGUI library is installed properly, and using this library we can control the mouse and keyboard to automate various repetitive tasks.